Hey guys, Justin Brock here with Bobby Brock Insurance. And if you're watching this, you are either searching for or we sent this to you about how to get your Ambetter My Healthy Rewards card. And that My Healthy Rewards card is also called a Flex card or a Visa card. It's about how to get yourself some free money out of your health insurance just for performing certain activities like preventative care, going to the doctor, getting tests ran, all things that are free in an ACA policy like you now have. And also, if you're watching this and we haven't helped you already, if you'd like help getting a card like this or getting an ACA plan, you can give us a call at 662-844-3300 or head over to BobbyBrockInsurance.com. So without further ado, you should be able to see some things on your screen here that we're going to walk through. And let's walk through them here. So first screen you're going to see here is we're logged into Robert's Ambetter Member Access Portal. If you haven't gotten to that, and you can go over to, you can basically go Google Ambetter. You can find the top result, and you'll be able to log into your Ambetter portal. Also, you could just go, I believe it's to ambetter.com, and it should take you, it'll ask you what state you're in. You can register for a portal. You'll just use your subscriber ID. If you don't know what your subscriber ID is, you'll get it in the mail with a card from Ambetter. You should also have gotten it through an email too. So, but if you still can't find it, give us a call at 662-844-3300, and we will look it up for you and let you know, help you create that access, all that kind of stuff. So this first slide, like we were talking about, is Robert's portal as soon as you log in. If you notice up at the top, I circled in red the word rewards, because we're going to click that tab. And when we click that tab, it's going to take us to the rewards page. Now in this rewards page, you can click a couple of different things. You can click these two tabs up here right underneath member rewards. There's rewards program and there's member discounts. That member discounts gets you things like 20% off Walgreens items. So if you go to Walgreens, you know how they have the Walgreens branded items. So there's a member discount for Ambetter that gets you 20% off of all of that, which is just a nice little perk. But on the rewards program, if you can see here, you can redeem points to save on bills or shop for merchandise or get your Flex spending card, your Visa card. So you're going to click Get Started, like I've circled in red here. And when you click Get Started, it should take you over to one of these two pages that we're looking at. One of them is the Start Off with a Bang in 2022 page here, and that's where we're shopping for points. There will be different things you can do online to get points. A lot of this is just looking up, how to save money, looking up little pamphlets on keeping it balanced, looking up all these things. It says 5 minutes, really takes 1 minute, 2 minutes, but you can get these small, easy point system, 10 points here, 10 points there. And basically every 10 points equates to about $1. So, you can rack those points up. Of course, you're going to get some bigger points for getting tests done, going to primary care providers. We saw some illustration of this in the portal on one page, which I don't have here, but that page was showing like going to primary care visit, I believe, gives you like 250 points. So that's $25. So going to get a colonoscopy, and don't hold me to this, but I think it was like $500 or 500 points. But you keep going to those things, you get all these points, right? And it builds up. And right here, it would be the page where it's got a big pink card in the middle of it. That's your My Healthy Pays card, rewards card. And when you have that, you're on that page, there should be a section down here like where mine says recently viewed, where you can click this card. And when you click that card, it will take you to a page where you can use your points to redeem that card, not purchase the card, but you're using your points to redeem it. Now, you can redeem it in values of $25, $50, or $100, depending on how many points you have. But you can get up to $500 a year on this. So you can just have it like that at a time. So what you might do, see how it says quantity there? You can have like a quantity, if you had an entire 500 points saved up, or $500 worth of points saved up, you could go in there and redeem 5 $100 gift cards at one time, or Visa gift cards at one time. But if you had saved up 1,000 points and you were going to go buy or get a $100 gift card, you would go ahead and click the 100, quantity 1, add to cart, and then check out, and they'll ship that card to you. So that's how we get the dollars off of this thing. And yeah, if you have any questions, love to help you with it. This is just a quick tutorial so you can see where you can go and claim that card now that you have an Ambetter plan. Now, a couple of questions some people get on the insurance. Many of you are qualifying for zero premium health insurance. Sometimes there is some out of pocket for bigger things. The good news with ACA plans, the preventative health care is all free. So preventative tests, preventative visits to the doctor's office, all that kind of stuff is free. So even if you had a deductible on there or a high maximum out of pocket, that would be more of like a catastrophic loss scenario. You could still go to your doctor's visits for free. Some of you may even have low or zero specialist copays, which is great, as well as low or zero prescription copays. But a plan that's zero or doesn't cost much at all with that 20% off discount and that performs preventative care services for free and gives you some stuff back, as well as gives you the safety net, is kind of a win-win for everybody. So if you have any questions about your plan, by all means, give us a call, 662-844-3300. Thank you for letting us help you with your healthcare decision today.